Hi, and welcome to the Betta Blinds how-to video guide. Today I'm going to show you how to change a flat bottom rail without insert into a flat bottom rail with insert. So you should have received the fabric insert from us. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to take off one of the end caps. Now these end caps are a little bit tight, so you need to slowly just prise them out as I'm doing here. Careful not to break them. Once you get it so far out, you can just pull it out. And you just slide the bottom rail out. Now if the blind's been up for a while, it mightn't slide out as easy as this one is, so it might be a bit sticky. So you might have to use a little bit of force to actually get it out. And you just turn the bottom rail around and you should have your fabric insert facing out. So then you slide the bottom rail back in, like so. Slide it across. Then you want to grab your fabric insert, unroll it, and then you just slide it in between the grooves here. So slowly push it along. And grab it. Once you've got it all the way in, and you can just tuck the ends back in, like so. So it's nice and flat. Then grab your end cap, slide your end cap in, push it in. You may need to tap it in with a hammer, but there you have it. So that's how you change a bottom rail to a flat with fabric insert. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it helped. Have a great day.